My name is Duduzo Makatini. I'm a pianist, healer, and improviser. I come from a small town in KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa called Pietermaritzburg. I always felt, I kind of felt like I belonged to that kind of stable, simply because of the history of Blue Note Records and the legacy that they've, the kinds of musicians that they've worked with over the years, but also I think most importantly, the kind of message that is embedded in the early Blue Note sort of records. That was really standing for blackness, identities, and was in many ways was trying to come to the continent as well. People were looking for themselves. People were looking for an ancestor. So I think, being with Blue Note is an answer to that call, that call about sort of connecting the diaspora and connecting it to motherland, which is quite a big thing, I think, for me. So I don't remember any point in my life where I was not a musician. And then now here I am, I've got this new record and it's all exciting. Just like all my records, I think people can look forward to some really special music. I mean, sonically, the record sounds really amazing. But also, I think people can look forward to some level of confrontation with themselves, with their identities, and also with the continent and what the continent has to offer the world.